Hello everyone. Today we are here just to discuss about basically elements of international business environment. Uh, why we are just discussing this topic, business environment? Because I think if one is knowing about the international business, so definitely he should knowing about the international business environment. Because finally, environments affects us directly and indirectly in both the manner. Here are four different points we have taken just to know about international business environment. As the first topic, we have taken the geographical factor. Second topic, we have taken the cultural factor, and third, we have taken the economical factor, and the fourth, we have taken the political and the legal factor. In geographical factor, the thing like what the considering location, your climate, your terrain, your waterways, natural resources, all these are totally depends on the different area to area. If one area is different, so different resources are there. Area is going to be different, so resources are going to be different, right? टेरिटरी हो गया, क्लाइमेट हो गया, लोकेशन हो गया, ऐसे हमने कल्चर फैक्टर में ले रखा है, जैसे कि हमारा लैंग्वेज हो गया. नाउ इन इंडिया वी नो इन दिस बेसिक लैंग्वेज that is Hindi. But if you are going to some another country, so might be कि you'll get the language according to the regional area, English or maybe some another language. फैमिली हो गया, रिलीजन हो गया, कस्टम्स हो गए, हमारे ट्रेडिशंस हो गए, फूड हो गए, all these are the part of your cultural factor. If we talk about the economical factor, that's related to the money का aspect in the economical situations, जिसमें कि टेक्नोलॉजी हमारा, एजुकेशन हो गया, इन्फ्लेशन हो गया, माई एक्सचेंज रेट हो गया, और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बेसिक फैसिलिटीज, ऑल दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द फोर्थ वन, दैट इज़ पॉलिटिकल एंड लीगल फैक्टर, जिसमें हम गवर्नमेंट, हमारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस, laws, all these things are including in the political and legal factors, such as government system, political stability, trade barriers, business regulations, all these are the part of political and legal factors. So these are the four basic environmental factor which come across when you are just thinking just to moving into the another country or another boundary. So before entering into the international business, one should make a study of all these four factors, जिसमें हमने आज बात की जोग्राफिकल फैक्टर की, इकोनॉमिकल फैक्टर की, कल्चर फैक्टर की, पॉलिटिकल एंड लीगल फैक्टर. So these are the four important aspects which we make the discussions, which one should make a detailed explanations about all these four factors before entering into the another country. So please get this point in a detail. Thank you so much.